Good morning, my dear children. I am Sivakumar from Sri Vidya Madhuri Metric Higher Secondary School, Zoology faculty. Today we are going to start a new topic. I will explain the principle of inheritance and variation. Lesson 4, principle of inheritance and variation. What is inheritance? Inheritance, which means from our bodies, not only our bodies, all the living things bodies are made up of cells. All the cells have some important molecules. That molecules are, it is transferred genetic material from the parent to children's. That principle I am going to explain. Some other characters will be transferred from parent to children's. Some characters are totally differ from parent and children's between. So this is a message. Today I will explain what are the principle, which means how to transfer the genetic characters from the parent to children's. That is principle of inheritance and variation. First of all, you should understand from the human body may present approximately, not exactly, approximately may present 600 millions of cells are there. The 600 millions of cells we are classified two parts. One is the somatic cell, second one germinal cells. The somatic cell, it is also have a genetic materials. Germinal cell, it is also have a genetic materials. The two cells are not transferred from the parent to children's in genetic characters, which means the generation characters will transfer from the parent to children's. Somatic cell have a genetic material, but did not transfer the characters from the parent to children's between. But germinal cells, it is transfer the parent characters to children's. The two cell, which is called a somatic cell, which is called a germinal cells. Somatic cell, which means the body normal cells. Genetic cell, which means which means germinal cell, which means the reproductive organs, male and female reproductive organ form a sex cell or gamete cell. Male gamete cell name sperm, female gamete cell name ova. The two cells have a genetic materials. That genetic material may transfer from the parent to children's. What are the procedures they are following between the transfer of the characters? That is principle of inheritance and variations. This process, it is going in several generations, from the first generation up to 7 generations they are following the characters. Now we are going to assess what are the method may be followed, we can identify these characters. That is called pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis means the family characters we should assess and list out. The list of the characters we should mention through a symbol, which means standard symbol. From the parent to children's, in several generations, genetic characters are frequently transferred. The transferring characters, some characters at the particular generations will be appear. Some other characters, some particular characters will disappear. Why that characters are sometimes will be transferred, sometimes we cannot transfer the characters, which means you just clearly observe from our bodies, not only human body, all the living things are, may plant or animals, microbes, whatever will be there, all the living things are made up of cells. Cells have a nucleus. Listen to the board. See, this is our body cell. We are taking best example human body. The human body cells, the cells which is cell membrane. Second one, that is cytoplasm, and this is nucleus. The nucleus, it is made up of nucleic acid. The nucleus, it is made up of nucleic acids. That the nucleic acids components called the nucleus. At the time of cell divisions, the matured cell, they are going to divide throughout the cell division process. The nucleus convert into chromosome the chromosome, it is made up of number of DNA molecules. Number of DNA molecules. So, chromosome is made up of number of DNA molecules. Inside the DNA, presence of gene. That gene, it is transferred the genetic characters from the parent to children's. That is inheritance. That is inheritance. Okay, we are come to topics. So, from the human body cells, we have 23 pairs of chromosome. 23 pairs of number wise, totally 46. 46 number of chromosomes are there. Adding the pair, 23 pairs. That 23 pairs are 46 number of chromosome. It is contained the DNA. Inside the DNA, presence of gene. At the time of mating, which means throughout the reproductive process, the characters may transfer from the parent to children's. Parent to children's. How to pass? That is inheritance of variation in the genetic characters. Okay. From our bodies, we are find out, the world biological scientists are, we are find out in our bodies, approximately, not exactly, approximately we are find out more than 30,000 number of genes are present in our bodies, because the cells contain nucleus, the nucleus made up of number of chromosomes, chromosome is made up of number of DNA molecules. The DNA molecule, it have two segments. One is the gene part of DNA component, second one non-gene part of DNA components. One is the gene part of DNA component, second one non-gene part of DNA components. From the DNA, which is act as a gene, that segment, it is transferred the characters from the parent to children's. And each gene, the gene, it will, a single gene, it will express two characters. One is the dominant characters, second one recessive characters. Dominant characters means the particular protein, the characters they want to express, the express wanted characters, proteins are there, that the proteins may not develop or not express, because the particular gene they are going to non-function, that is called recessive characters. Dominant character, which means the particular gene they will stimulate the activities, they secrete the protein, they are going to develop new characters, that is called dominant characters. So, this is a gene function. Gene function means it will transfer the genetic character from the parent to children's. That gene in our bodies, approximately we are find out 30,000 genes are there. Each gene, a single gene, it is expressed two characters. One is the dominant characters, second one recessive characters. So, dominant character, recessive characters, gene expressing way through the mRNA. mRNA means messenger RNA. What are the order giving by the gene that the characters expressed through human bodies? Expressed by which is mRNA, which means messenger RNA. So, up to nowadays we are find out, the biological scientists are, they are find out 60,000 number of mRNAs. 60,000 number of mRNAs we are find out, and 30,000 more than, not exactly I am telling, more than 30,000 number of genes are we are find out, and more than 60,000 mRNAs also we are find out. The gene and the mRNA, the two genetic material, it is transfer the parent characters transferred to children's. Sometimes the children's we are called offspring, individuals or new young one. Okay, that is characters may transfer from the parent to children's, that is called inheritance, which means genetic characters transfer from the parent to children's, that is called inheritance. Variation means some characters among the 30,000, some characters may transfer the parent to children's, some characters may cannot transfer the parent to children, that is called variations. We are compared to parent and children's closely observed, some other characters are similar, some other characters are dissimilar. These characters we are classified two parts. One is the morphological characters, second one anatomical characters, third one physiological functions. The morphological characters otherwise called as phenotypics. Listen the board. Phenotype, Phenotype, PIC, phenotype, which means external character. External character means we are going to observe the animals or human beings, we can see that structure, that is called phenotype. Genotype character means you cannot never see the characters. When we are going to involve the molecular genetic research, at the time only we should find out the particular gene and the function it can observe, that is called genotypic characters. So the phenotypic characters and genotypic characters both are transferred from the parent to children. Some other characters only transferred, some other characters only did not transfer. Reason, the particular gene, it will express the two way. One is the dominant character, second one recessive characters. Which is the dominant characters, it will express from the parent to children's. Which is the recessive characters cannot express from the children's bodies. Reason, it is not transferred. That is variation. So we are compare the parent to children's. Some other characters are similar, some other characters are dissimilar. This process called principle of inheritance and variations. That observed characters we should list out. We are list out the characters giving the specific symbol, throughout the symbol wise we are list out the characters. This process name pedigree chart. This is called pedigree chart. Is the symbols and the explanations. See, first one they are giving square symbol. This symbol represents that is male being, which means male human beings. The rounded symbol female. We are connecting male and female after marriage, which means mattings. That symbol mentioned. Second, after the matting, the parent will be get children's. May possibility one is the male, second one is the female. One boys and one girls, which means one boy and one girl may get a parent. Normal. I am telling a normal parent, male and female, matting, they will get the children. One is the male, second one is the female. Next one, sometimes the genetic X will be changed, or throughout the reproductive process, formation of zygote process will be changed by the mutations. The parent will be get dizygotic twins. What is dizygotic twins? Which means both are morphologically similar. Both are morphologically similar, but the sexes are separate. We are going to observe one children is a male, another children is a female. Because of they are twins, morphologically similar and sexually they are different. Because of that is dizygote. Di means two. Zygotic means embryologically both are same, morphologically both are same, but sexually they are separate. That is called dizygotic twins. Second one, monozygotic twins, which means mono means single. Zygote are same and morphological structure also same, which means phenotypically, genotypically both are same and sexually both are same. That is called monozygotic twins. Monozygotic twins, that symbol this like. Second one, this is sex unspecified symbols, which means before born, the newborn baby before burns, the sexual characters we are not find out. After burn we can find out, but throughout the some other biological techniques from the medical laboratory histories, the sexes are not unspecified, the symbol. Second one, the number of children of the sexes are indicated. Sometimes the baby is living in mother uterus, which means a fetus living in the uterus. At that time we are going to follow the karyotyping methods. The sexes and the newborn baby sexes are, we can find out, that is a symbol 2 and 3, they are mentioned symbols. Second one, genetically affected male, normal female, both are sometimes any one of or both are affected, they will get a children's newborn baby genetically defect or they will suffer genetically disorder disease. That process we are mentioned. This is affected male, normal female symbol. Second one, heterozygote. Hetero means two genetic materials are different. two genetic materials are different, the differentiated genetic materials, they will get autosomal recessive character childrens. Male, female both are genetically affected, which means they have genetically disordered disease, both are marriage, after they get a child, the children will get heterozygote structures and autosomal recessive characters, that is a symbol identifications. Next one, round circle symbols, they are mentions carriers of the sexual linked into recessives. Genetically affected mother and father have marriage, after the marriage getting new children, which means newborn babies, the sex linked, okay, totally they are converted to recessive characters, that is characters we are mentioned the round symbols. Second one, genetically affected parent have matings, they will get new babies, sometime they are going to death, that symbol is like. Next one, genetically affected mother and father, after marriage get children, the baby born before they are going to death, that is abortion and still birth to sex or unspecialized, sometime they are going to death. This is advanced test for the precocious or probans, which means the newborn baby born before we can find out baby sexual characters, that symbol is like. This one, the method of identified persons, which means the children's born before, the frequently first time the parent give the male child, after that female, again they are going to male, the frequently we can access. This method we can calculate through this symbol. Another one, consanguineous marriage. Consanguineous marriage means both parent, which means mother and father both are blood relations. Between the blood relations may have any of the genetic disease or newborn baby characters, we can easily access through this symbol, that is called a consanguineous marriage. This is pedigree chart. So pedigree chart, which means we should assess the family characters. We assess the characters, each characters we should provide a specific symbol, that the symbol we should make a simple diagram, that is called a family tree or family chart. This process name pedigree analysis. So pedigree analysis, a family tree drawn the standard symbol, genetic symbols, and showing the inheritance and pathway for the specific phenotypic characters in past generation. Past generation means our ancestor, another ancestors, and we are going to long backways. We are followed the characters, we are observed characters, we are list out the symbols, the list out of each symbols are, we are giving the diagramming methods, that is called a pedigree analysis. Now we are going to discuss next topic. The human body cell, each body cells have a genetic materials, the genetic material name nucleus, nucleus contain chromosomes, chromosome is made up of DNA, DNA is contain gene, that is genetic materials. The genetic material malfunction, it develop genetical disorder, which means genetical disease. All the genetical disease we can cure through the medical laboratory treatment, that name gene therapy. That gene therapy, it have two types. One is the somatic gene therapy, second one germline gene therapy. Okay, genetical diseases are there, genetical disease treatment also there. How you can find out the genetical disease? Some other symptoms are there. That symptoms may observe from the patient body. How you can find out the disease? Which means furtherly we should go assess, which means analyze human karyotyping. What is karyotyping? Karyotyping, which means the complete set of chromosomes. The complete set of chromosome we are pick out from the each cells, find out the particular gene from the chromosomes, that should be removed and replace the corrective gene, that is called gene therapy. So throughout the karyotyping, a complete set of chromosome pick out from the cells, find out the particular chromosomes and categorize size wise and number wise chromosomes we are going to categorize. Total number of chromosomes in human body 23 pair or 46 number of chromosomes. The 23 pairs of chromosome, first 1 to 22, which means 22 number of chromosomes autosome, last one 23rd chromosome, that is called sex chromosome. Sex chromosome otherwise called allosome. The autosome and the sex chromosomes may contain the genes are muted or throughout the chromosomal aberrations, the patient body may affect the genetical disease. The genetical disease we are classified two categories. One is the Mendelian disorder, second one chromosome abnormalities. First one, what is Mendelian disease? All the Mendelian diseases are caused by gene. The genes are, I told you, each gene expresses two characters. One is the dominant character, second one recessive characters. Some of the genetical disease caused by dominant characters, some of the disease caused by recessive characters. That is two type categories. Now we will discuss. First one, the Mendelian disorder disease, thalassemia, albinism, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, Huntington's chorea. This is Mendelian disorder disease. All the diseases are caused by gene defect. So, all the genetical diseases, thalassemia, albinism, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, Huntington chorea, it is caused by autosomal dominant gene. What is autosomal? I told you, autosome, which means somatic chromosomes 1 to 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 22 number of chromosomes are called somatic chromosomes or autosome. The autosome, it is designed your physiological characters, morphological structure and anatomical structure. It is deformity, that is autosomal dominant gene disorder, that is Mendelian disorder disease. Second category is chromosomal abnormalities. From the human body we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. Among the 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 are chromosomes autosome. The autosomes are number of chromosomes may loss or gain. Number of chromosomes may loss or gain, that is called chromosome abnormalities. Number of chromosomes, which means 1 to 23. 1 to 23 number of chromosomes may number increase or decrease, may reduce 22, may increase in 24, which means totally 46 number of chromosomes. The chromosome number, one more chromosome reduced from the total structure, that is 45, that is loss. May chromosome number increase in 40s, that is a gain. So, loss or gain number of chromosomes, that is called chromosomal abnormalities. Another one, the chromosome translocations, deletion of chromosomes and duplication of chromosome, it occurs time of cell divisions. The number of this process may affect to loss of character, which means loss of gene from the chromosomes, or may change the characters. They will form chromosome abnormalities. The chromosome abnormalities autosomal aneuploidy in human beings we are called. That is first one, Down syndrome. It is otherwise called trisomy 21. Second one, Patus syndrome. It is otherwise called as trisomy 13. Another one, chromosome abnormality, second types, allosome abnormality in human beings. See, autosomal aneuploidy human being chromosome abnormality is called a Down syndrome, Patus syndrome. The Patus syndrome otherwise called trisomy 13, Down syndrome trisomy otherwise called 21. Two categories are autosomal aneuploidy human being chromosome abnormalities. Second category is allosome. I told you allosome, which means sex chromosome. the sex chromosome, otherwise called allosome. So, allosome abnormality in human beings, which means the number of chromosome reduce or shape of the chromosome will be reduce or increase, that is called allosome abnormality. Normally 1 to 44 number of chromosomes autosome, chromosome number 41, that is X, 45 is a X, 46 is a Y. So 44 plus X and Y, that is male. See, chromosome Klinefelter may affect chance to male bodies, loss or gain, which means the Klinefelter affect X's chromosome increase, which means one more chromosome increase from the copies X chromosome, that is called X and X. It is otherwise called as Klinefelter. It is caused by autosomal recessive genes. Next one, Turner syndrome, mostly affect in female bodies. The absence of X chromosomes, that is called Turner syndrome. So normally from the female body number of chromosomes 44 plus X and X, which means 44 X, that is female body chromosomes. The abnormally the one more X chromosome absent, which means 44 X and 0, that is Turner syndrome, that is allosome abnormality in human beings. So the genetic disorder, two types, one is the Mendelian disorder, second one chromosomal abnormalities. Mendelian disorder, which means the genetic material in DNA, it was discovered by Gregor von Mendel. He was awarded father of genetics because of the first genetic information given by Gregor von Mendel. He was a father of genetics. So DNA, all the informations we are called a Mendelian disorder. The Mendelian disorder, which means what are the genetic diseases caused by gene and DNA, that is called a Mendelian disorder. The first one, thalassemia, I explained, albinism, penile ketonuria, sickle cell anemia, Huntington chorea. All the genetic diseases are caused by autosomal dominant gene. I told you autosomal, which means somatic chromosomes. What is somatic chromosome? May causes to Mendelian disorder disease. Second one, chromosomal abnormality, means the number of chromosome may loss or gain or reduce the chromosome size, may defect due to chromosome abnormalities. Chromosomes are two categories. One is the autosome, second one allosome. Autosome means somatic chromosomes, allosome means sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes means X and Y. Female body sex chromosome X and X, male body sex chromosome X and Y, that is sex chromosome. The sex chromosome may affect, that is called Klinefelter Turner syndrome. Klinefelter affect to male bodies, Turner syndrome affect to female bodies. Now we are going to start the Mendelian disorder disease. First one, thalassemia. Thalassemia, it's one types of genetical disorder disease. Thalassemia, it's one types of genetical disorder disease. It is caused by, which is thalassemia is caused by autosomal recessive gene. I told you autosomal means somatic chromosome. Somatic chromosome contain the DNA. The DNA may present gene. That gene, it expresses two characters. One is a dominant character, second one recessive characters. Among the two characters, it is caused by a recessive gene. Autosomal recessive genes are present in bodies, may cause us to thalassemia. What is thalassemia? The destruction of RBC. The disease affected children. It is the body form abnormal hemoglobin. Destruction of RBC. Normal hemoglobin. Once again, listen. See, globin protein, 4 iron molecules are formed. 4 iron molecules are formed, and each iron molecules in form amino acid linked chain. See, that is one alpha chain, it is one alpha chain. So, hemoglobin is made up of 2 alpha chain, left side also may present beta chain, that is one beta chain, it is another beta chains. So, left side made up of 2 beta chain, 2 beta chain. So, normal hemoglobin is made up of one globin protein, 4 iron molecule, 4 iron molecule, that is normal hemoglobin structure. So, hemoglobin made up of globin protein, 4 iron molecule, this structure hemoglobin. The 4 hemoglobin molecules otherwise called a 2 alpha chain, right side 2 alpha chain, left side 2 beta chain. So, hemoglobin is made up of 2 alpha chain, 2 beta chains. This structure differed by the genetic mutations, which means genetic material muted, which means suddenly change the characters. The normal hemoglobin, it is form abnormal structure that result destruction of RBC. The RBC respiratory pigments, it is manufactured from the bone marrow tissues. That the RBC main function throughout the respiration absorb the atmosphere gases, provide to each body cells, provide after the body cell utilize that hemoglobin and receive the oxygens, manufacture the energy, finally convert into carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide may transfer the body cell to atmosphere, that is called gas exchange. That gas exchange maintained by in RBC inside presence of hemoglobin, the hemoglobin doing gas exchanging process. So, abnormal hemoglobin is formed by the gene mutations. The disease called thalassemia. Thalassemia affected children cannot breathe well. They will die in early ages, age of 17. What are the symptoms of appear the patient body? Which means very simple symptoms. That because the thalassemia is the 2 types, one is the alpha thalassemia, second one beta thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia otherwise called as major thalassemia, beta thalassemia otherwise called as minor thalassemia. Both categories are earlier time not show the symptoms, they never show the symptoms, in the final stage only very severe affected children, they will die age of 17. Between the age of 17 definitely they will die. That is thalassemia caused by recessive genes, autosomal recessive genes, result destruction of RBC, formation of abnormal hemoglobin. Abnormal hemoglobins are formed, that is called anemia. Anemia means loss of RBC. One more word you should not be confused, amnesia. Amnesia means memory loss. It is also one type of genetical disorder disease, but amnesia is caused by 21st chromosomes. Anemia is caused by autosomal recessive gene. It is related to destruction of RBC, abnormal hemoglobin formations. In second disease, penile ketonuria, it is another types of genetical disorder disease, inborn error disease. On the congenital onwards, the particular gene not dominant. The dominant genes, they express recessive characters. Really that gene function, they should activate dominant functions. The dominant functions of genes, they are going to convert into a recessive character. So, the particular gene muted from our bodies, melanin metabolism in our body, entire body covered by the skin, upper surface of skin, presence of melanocyte cell, inside the melanocyte cell, presence of melanospore pigment. That melanospore pigments, it will receive the sunlight from the natural environment, form melanin pigments, it is provide the skin color. The penile ketonuria, it is one types of genetical disorder. It is inborn error penile ketonuria disorder disease. It is caused by autosomal recessive genes. Autosomal recessive genes. The penile ketonuria, it is one types of enzyme. That enzyme, it is convert phenylalanine hydroxylase enzymes. Normal enzyme may convert into tyrosine. The tyrosine form help to melanin pigments. By the gene mutations, the proper enzyme not properly secrete. So, melanin pigment formations, they are going defect, that is called melanin metabolism disorder disease, phenylketonuria. What are the symptoms of appear from the patient body, which means retardation of the mental growth is a children's mental ability reduce in congenital non-weights, that is the major symptoms. Second one, light pigmentation of the skin and the hair throughout the bodies and throughout the hair. Pigmentation, which means melanin pigment reduce, because the particular genes are muted, the melanin metabolism process will be lack, slightly produce the melanin pigments. So, from the patient bodies, dark not appears, that is a light pigmentations in the skin and the hair structure, that is symptoms of phenylketonuria. Another types of genetical disease, albinism. Albinism, which means absence of melanins or lack of melanin from the patient body, the melanin metabolism process lack. Reason, the particular gene, responsible genes are muted. So, from the patient body, melanin metabolism will be absent. So, absence of melanin pigment, that is called albinism. It is one types of inborn error disease. What is inborn error? Which means on the congenital onwards, which means in embryonic stage onwards, the particular genes are not dominant, that is the result, which means the characters are reduced, that is albinism. It is caused by autosomal recessive genes, autosomal recessive genes, that is called albinism. Another types of genetical disease, Huntington chorea, already I told you, it is also caused by autosomal dominant gene. What are the symptoms appear from the patient body? First one, involuntary jerkings, which means from the patient body limbs are vibrate, which means a hand and legs are going to shake, that is called involuntary jerkings, major symptom of the patient body. Second one, progressive generations of the nervous system, progressive, which means gradual destroy the nervous cells, neurological stimulation gradually reduced from the patient body, that is progressive degenerations of the nervous system, that is the major symptoms from the Huntington chorea. Next one, the patient, the disease affected patients accompanied by the gradual mental and physical effect, the physiological functions, thinking ability gradually reduce. Another one, usually the disease affected patient may die between the age of 35 to 40, between the age of 35 to 40, the patient they are going to die. You do not make confuse, because of thalassemia patient affect between the age of 17, between age of 17. Huntington chorea disease affected patients, they will die age of 35 to between the 40. Another topic we have to discuss, chromosome abnormalities. The human body cell has diploid or 2n chromosome, which means in each human body cells are made up of 46 number of chromosomes. Among the 46 number of chromosomes, they have made up of DNA. The DNA is contained gene, the particular genes are muted. It is also may cause us to, which is chromosome abnormalities. The number of chromosome we can pick out from the body cells throughout them. I told you karyotyping. Once again I will recall what is meant by karyotyping. Karyotyping, it's a technique. The technique used for total number of chromosomes pick up from the body cells and find out the genetic characters. The technique used for at the time of pregnancy periods, a newborn baby genetic material we can access before born. Any other genetical deformities may present, the disease we can cure through the technique, that is called karyotyping. Karyotyping otherwise called as karyogram. Karyogram, you can other special name is there, that is called ideogram. So throughout the technique, a newborn baby genetical deformities, which means genetical characters abnormalities we can reduce, that is called one of the types of gene therapy. Dear students, today we are complete chromosome abnormalities. We have complete the 3 or 4 topics. So remaining topic is there. We will discuss the next class. My kindly request for you, Please don't skip the video, fully observe. If you have any other doubt, give the comments. The comments I will receive through the YouTubes. I will give the clarification for you, and more information also I may give because of I am giving the instructions. Please don't skip the video, fully observe, note the points, and take a question through the videos, send to me. I clear doubt. It's a more benefit to your future. Okay, thank you.